Hey guys, it's Mark here with Southern Camaro. I want to talk a little bit about the grills that we offer for the second gen Camaros, your 70 to 81 Camaros. If you're doing a 70 to 73 Camaro, you're going to have a grill that's going to look like this, depending on the year model of the car. If you have a Rally Sport in that 70 to 73, you're going to have two grill inserts that'll fit inside your urethane nose. And for these grills, we also offer the correct hardware kits depending on the year of your car. We sell the hardware to mount these grills. And then you have a 74 to 77 Camaro. That grill comes in two different colors. You can get it in black or you can get it in silver. Here is the upper part of that grill in silver. And we also offer the lower part to that grill. And as I said, you can get this in black or silver, and we stock both of them. Our hardware kits to install your 74 to 77 grill, it's gonna mount both your upper grill and your lower grill, so all your hardware is gonna come in that pack to do both. And then we do the 78 and 79 grill, and then we do the 80-81. Your nose on the front of those cars, 78 to 81, they're going to be the same, but the mounting points for these two different grills are different. So be aware of that. So if you have a 79 and you go to put a grill in and it's not lining up, your nose on the front of the car could have been changed at some point. But don't sweat that. We offer a grill hardware kit. You're just basically going to re-drill some holes and mount it. So on your 78 and 79, you can get it also in silver, and you can also get it in black. So the upper grill and the lower grill comes in silver and black. Here's your lower grill. Now the lower grill is not real pliable. It is made of urethane, and so when you try to install this, if this won't lay correctly in your bumper like you want, best thing to do is to heat this up, put it in the sun, it'll get very, very pliable. And once it gets pliable, then go ahead and install it, because at that point you'll be able to flush it in your lower part of your bumper, and then once it cools down, it's going to keep the shape that you've just bolted it to. And this is your 80-81 Z28 grill. It's also available in silver, but the grill for a 80-81 is not louvered like this. This is the Z28 version, and that's your upper grill. And then we have the lower grill. Now, when OER redid the 80-81 grill, they made it very pliable, so it's very easy to install. So you won't have to worry about trying to put that out in the sun and letting it warm up, but it's very pliable, so once you install it, it'll work great. And then we also offer the hardware to install both the upper and lower grill. So just keep in mind, when you go to install your grill on a 78 to 81, if your grill is not lining up, don't sweat it. It's just that maybe the nose may have gotten changed somewhere down the line. Just re-drill the holes, and we have the hardware that'll mount your upper and lower grill. So for this product or any other products we offer, just go to southerncamaro.com or give us a call at 706-884-9100.